You got the gimbal. Now after using it, you wish you had the path feature in video mode. People who have the DJI know what I'm talking about. So here's how you do it. I searched online, I couldn't find anything. Also on YouTube or any other forums. This feature is only in time lapse. You'll need two phones. Grab your mom's phone or your brother's phone. It does not have to have a DJI in it. DJI app. Just a regular phone. Put it in the gimbal while it's off. In your phone that has the app in it, okay? Turn the gimbal on and go to the app. It will connect automatically. If it doesn't, hit the connect. And if you get this message saying you need to align the phone with the gimbal, hit X. On the gimbal, go to the phone that is on the gimbal and go to the video. Open the camera and go to the video mode. On your phone, just do a time lapse, a normal time lapse with the path. 1 minute, I'll set my first path, my second path, third path, and the fourth. Okay, hit start. And hit start on your phone. That's it. Now you're going to record a video while the gimbal thinking it's in time-lapse mode. I don't know why they don't make this feature. Maybe it's a sales pitch or something like that, but I do know it's not in the app, in the DJI Mimo app. Okay? That's it. Now you're going to record a video. I do know it's not in the app, in the DJI Mimo app. Okay, now this is a private channel. Please don't subscribe or like this video. Just enjoy this feature and have a good day.